Guys, this video is about how to set up a membership in your YouTube channel. Now, for the past 2 years that I've been running this YouTube, I have not set up a single membership section of my YouTube. So I decided to set up the first membership section on my YouTube where I'll be delivering exclusive content like how to swap a pre-recorded video face with a different image. Okay, after recording your video, okay, you decide to, or you get any random video and you want to swap the face to a different face, stuff like that. Okay, how to make a video to say whatever you want the video to say in any language. Okay, a pre-recorded video that you will like the video to say whatever in any language with a written prompt or a recorded MP3 audio. Okay, you can make any video to speak whatever that is written in that is said in that audio. All right. So these are the kind of stuff that I want to be putting in the membership section. Now, because this is my first membership, I decided to share this particular information so that those of you that are running YouTube channel can as well know, okay, how to set up membership in YouTube. Okay, but before you set up a membership, there are a few requirements that you have to, get to in YouTube before you can be eligible to set up a membership. One, you must get up to 1,000 subscribers, okay, on YouTube. Secondly, it must be in YouTube Partner Program. That's the second one, okay. Thirdly, it must be up to 18 years, all right. If you're not up to 18 years, there's no way, all right. Fourth, you should be able to check your country if your country is eligible, because it's not every country that can be able to create membership. Now, finally, which is the fifth one, your channel must not be meant for kids, all right. It's not, your channel must not be meant for kids, it must be only for adults. So let's proceed, okay. So once you get your YouTube channel, which is my YouTube channel, the place you have to go is End. Click on End. Once you click on End, come over to membership and you can see build connection, join channel, and your business. All right, 0% complete, which means I have not started. So the first one is set up your membership offer. I think how much are people going to pay if you decide to start your first membership. All right. Now, the second one is customize default specs. Specs are stuff like emojis, your own personal emojis, or any emoji that people can be using when you're live streaming or comment, or want to give you a shout out, different things. Okay, these are called perks. Okay, these are things that you have to set up before your membership will start running. Now, the third one is announce your membership, which is actually what I am doing in this video, letting people know that I'm about to create my first membership, okay, section on my YouTube. All right. Now, the fourth one, which is post to welcome new members, which is I have to create a video based on what information I gave you people about changing, swapping face, pre-recorded video, or making any video, pre-recorded video to say whatever thing you want the video to say in any language. So these are contents that I have to upload here on my membership, on the membership section of my YouTube. So we're going to start with the first one by clicking start. Let's not waste time. Okay, so you can see the first one, 450, 1,500 naira, 10,000 naira. I can't go for 10,000 naira, and I can't go for 450. Level one, let's say level one is 750. Okay. All right. Level two, start from scratch. Then start from scratch, You can, okay. Okay, let me start from level one. Level one, 750. Level two, level three, level two, that's 450, 15. Okay, perks from previous level, blah, blah, blah. I'll have to go for level one. Let's start with level one. Introduction. Okay. So click on next. I don't want to make it too expensive for people to come in and want some information that is very, very vital. So I'm going to go next. All right. So what next? Customize your offer. Okay. Loyalty badges. Edit. Okay, here on name level, this should be level 1. Let me level 1. Okay, the amount, you can still change the amount if you want people to pay up to 1k, 1k, 1.5. I think I have to go for 1k or 1.5. Okay, because 750 naira is not even up to $1. The information I'm giving out in this particular section of the YouTube, these are the kind of information that I can be able to sell online, but I can't sell everything, so I have to be able to also appreciate people that are subscribed to this channel. Let them get some information that are meant to sell at a higher amount, but I have to make it available for people that don't have money. Okay, it's not everybody that can afford that kind of money. Meanwhile, it's concurrent, it's monthly, so I have to start with 1,500 or 2k. All right. So Nigeria, grand emoji. So this is where you have to photo. You can add photo. Now status updates. Photo and status update. Photo just like that. You can add a whole lot of things. Early access to new video. Okay. Early access to new video. These are the features that we have here. Member shout outs, priority reply to comments and all that. Yes, these are among the stuff that will be included in this section. All right, so let's proceed. Think how to click on done. All right, next, submit for review. Okay, submit for review. I have to submit this for review. A membership offer, including my packs, does not and will not promote hate, violence, is not dangerous, illegal, and fully complies with YouTube. Yes. So click on submit. All right. So it's quite very easy for you to create your first membership in review. So within 24 hours, YouTube is going to review this and they are actually going to approve it. So the next one that I should be doing is customize my packs, which I'm going to click on start. All right, these are default packs. I can also create my own personal packs, but for this level 1, I definitely have to use the default packs. All right, maybe when I get to level 2, I will use my own picture or whatever to create my own personal packs. But for this level 1, the default packs should be able to serve. All right, so upload my own, use graphics YouTube badges. I think I have to use graphics YouTube badges, new member. Okay, this is okay. All right, so let's go next. Emoji name, select. Wow. Okay, it's redirecting me to upload. I don't want to upload. I don't want to upload any emoji as in text. Once create, click on next. Let me see if it's gonna go. Okay. Recognition on your channel page. Okay. Then done. But if you have your own pegs, you can add your own pegs. You can see these are the default pegs. Okay. So with this, I can differentiate the normal people in the comments and my members. These are the first level of pegs. And announce your membership. Let me click here. Promoting membership. Tell everyone about your membership, blah, blah, blah. Announce your membership with a video. Mention membership in your video or live stream. Promote it on social media. Okay. Fine and good. Done. Okay. This is also done. Then post to welcome new members. Post to welcome new members. I really don't have that video ready right now. So, but once you click on create a post, this is going to take you to where you can create a post. But I am not ready for that now. Once I am done with any video or any post, okay, use membership posts to share it on your polls, your fans and other. All right, I'm not going to go through this. This should be the last one. I'm going to be uploading 2-3 videos about the about what I talked about that I'm going to be teaching in this level 1. Okay, I'm going to be posting the video just after making this video. The videos ready, because I want people to be able to enter there and find the content there. It will be very disappointing that when you get inside and you won't find anything to watch based on what I said in this video, which is crazy. It doesn't sound good. So this is actually how you can create your own membership on YouTube. It's quite very easy. I'll make another video on how I've made a video sometime that was last 2 years on how you can create YouTube membership perks, but I will make another new video on how you can create perks, YouTube membership perks. It's quite very easy with your Photoshop. That's it. So you guys can see that creating YouTube membership section is quite very easy. It takes just a couple of minutes. So guys, I just want to share this, all right? My little experience, so that those of you that would like to create your own membership that is already running your YouTube, that has gotten to 1,000 subscribers and living in eligible countries, and your content is not meant for kids and all that, what I mentioned earlier, and you're up to 18 years, so you can use this as well to, create your own YouTube membership site. So if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asugha Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, make sure you hit the subscription button and make sure you turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video. Like always, you guys should stay creative and remain blessed.